Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Chevrolet Traverse, the three-row SUV that's been turning heads for years. While Chevy is keeping a lot of details under wraps, we've got some solid info and a few educated guesses to share. So buckle up, because this is everything you need to know about the 2026 Traverse. Let's start with what we know. The 2026 Traverse is set to begin production on July 14, 2025, at the Lansing Delta Township Assembly Plant in Michigan. And if you're eager to get your hands on one, dealers will start taking orders as early as June 12, 2025. That's right, mark your calendars. Under the hood, don't expect any surprises, but that's not a bad thing. The 2026 Traverse is expected to carry over the same 2.5-liter i4LK turbocharged engine from the previous model. This powerhouse delivers an impressive 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque. That means you're getting plenty of muscle for highway merges, towing, or just cruising around town. The 2026 Traverse will continue to ride on the GMC1 platform, which has been a solid foundation for this SUV. It's known for its smooth ride, spacious interior, and excellent handling. So if you loved the way the current Traverse drives, you're in for more of the same. Now, let's talk about what we can expect. The 2026 Traverse is likely to debut with only minor changes compared to the 2025 model, which already introduced some major updates. Think small tweaks to the exterior design, maybe some new color options, and possibly a few tech upgrades. But one thing's for sure, the Traverse will continue to offer a spacious three-row interior, perfect for families or anyone who needs extra room. Plus, you can count on that large touchscreen infotainment system and advanced safety features to keep you connected and protected on the road. Now, let's address the big question. How much will it cost? While official pricing hasn't been announced yet, we expect it to stay close to the 2025 model's range. So, if you're budgeting for a new Traverse, you can use the current pricing as a good starting point. Want to stay in the loop? Keep an eye on the official Chevrolet website and trusted sources like GM Authority for updates. And don't forget to check out automotive news sites like Edmunds, Kelley Blue Book, and Car and Driver for reviews and previews as we get closer to the launch date. So there you have it, everything we know about the 2026 Chevrolet Traverse. It's shaping up to be another strong contender in the three-row SUV market. What do you think? Are you excited about the 2026 Traverse, or are you holding out for something else? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.